Let's have a look at Marathon Digital today. Basically, last day of the week, last day of the month, last day of the quarter. So stock is 4.5%. It was 10% in the morning. Hit that resistance level that we talked about yesterday and retracing back. So a lot of people getting caught in this basic, like drawing basic supply demand zones when it comes to entering, exiting. So very, very simple solution is to let the stock break. If you're a breakout trader, just like me, I like breakouts, breakdowns. You don't draw any trend lines. As a trend line, just keep it simple, moving averages. But when it comes to price, just use linear support resistance levels because that's what more people pay attention to. Why? Well, let's say I bought a stock at $22 levels and it goes below 22. I don't care if it's in an uptrend or not. Like most people do not care. If their account shows negative, they will be in panic mode. Most people will get shaken out. Most people will sell. So that's why it is best to watch. Just keep it simple, linear, support resistance, because price, that's what matters the most. Nobody watches downtrends, uptrends as often as somebody who does swing trading. I know a lot of people day trading or even trading it in and out a lot because many people buying ultra short-term options. So which means you are speculating short-term. But here are the levels that it has been here for quite some time. I have showed it many, many times. Ultra short-term right here, right now, 22. That's the breakout level. That's the support. It needs to hold in order to stay in this ultra short-term uptrend that we have for the past like 10, 15 trading sessions or so. Okay. And the resistance 24.67. That's where it's rejecting today. If I bring up the moving averages, ultra short-term moving averages that I use, you can see this gray line on my chart represents 5-day SMA. This blue line is 20-day. So as soon as 5-day curls and as soon as 5-day starts uptrending, I am not bearish any stock and I just remain neutral to bullish. But right here, right now, you can clearly say that it is not a clean uptrend, but it is an uptrend right here, right now, until it breaks 22 and goes lower to $20 levels. So below 20 goes to $20, but we have a 50-day SMA that is trying to curl right here as well, which is yellow line on my chart at the moment, 21.70. That's your 50-day SMA support. Sort of you can see it's trying to curl and trying to form maybe ultra short term, maybe reversal, but it takes time. The stock can spend quite some time in this range of 24.60, 24.67 to all the way 22 before it breaks out, before it cleans this level. And a lot of people play guessing game. I do not. You let the stock break, come test that level, confirm that it's respecting that level as a support, and then you hop in to ride it all the way to 28. That's personally how I trade from one supply zone to another supply zone. So these are the basically levels: 28, 30, 32. Also, option activity. Yes, there's a lot of flows that are coming in, but one thing I want to show you guys, I'm not going to dive too much because we still have like 3-4 more hours until market close, is the maximum pain for marathon. But before we do that, let's take a look. Yeah, maximum pain just for next week, okay? $20.50. I know halving is not until April something 16th, 19th, but this is maximum pain for halving, and a lot of people anticipating that the stock could run up into this event, but it doesn't matter what kind of event it is out there coming up, stock still will trade from one supply to another supply, and options also play a key role. And today, yeah, there's a little bit of a flow, and all these past 3-4 days I have been seeing calls coming in, but today you can see clearly as well there are more calls being traded. Maybe people chased, I don't know, but 292,000 calls being traded so far, and 116,000 puts being traded so far, first 4 hours of trading session. And if we just come take a look at the strikes people are playing, yeah, there are some with time, May 35, April 25, June 46, May 30 call, and there are a lot of ultra short-term $26 calls for April. So that's the option activity, slightly bullish, but I'm not seeing significant orders that are standing out, or one particular strike being bought over and over. So I cannot tell that it is a strong rally, just because volume is increasing, but it is around average volume right here, right now. So you don't want to get caught in these moves unless you are day trading, and unless if you're day trading, of course you are super nimble. You get in, if you are losing, you get out. But those people who are swinging it, you have to buy at the breakout and let it test that breakout level, and do not get caught at the resistance levels like it is today right here, where it was clearly, and you can watch all of my other videos, these levels been there for a while, and these levels being respected still. So that's the daily marathon update. Again, these videos are not financial advice, purely for entertainment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.